FPV drones flown by Ukrainian troops in carrying out their missions often fail to explode themselves in some cases, leaving Russian soldiers unharmed. Ukraine is actively increasing the production and use of various large and small attack drones, including fiber optic FPV, trying to catch up with the Russian armed forces in this type of deadly weapon. At one point on the Kursk front, the high-tech NATO equipment flew into the entrance of the defense room with Russian military personnel inside, but they were lucky, the drone did not work. Russian soldiers shared this moment on the internet around January 25, 2025, showing a fiber optic FPV drone of Ukraine crashing right in front of a bunker near Russia position, without exploding. The astonishment of Russian soldiers can be heard in the footage. They seem happy and lucky, for the Ukrainian FPV drone's total failure. In another case about a week ago, Russian soldiers shared the moment when an Ukrainian FPV drone failed, which tried to hit their vehicle somewhere in the operation zone. The Kiev FPV, flying on its mission, got stuck in the windshield of a Kamaz truck belonging to the Russian armed forces, which was carrying infantry. However, miraculously the FPV did not explode, and even Russian soldiers from the truck's cabin were able to record the moment throughout their trip. It is unknown whether the drone was a technological failure or the windshield of the Russian Kamaz truck was made of anti-drone material. Once again, the soldiers laughed happily, the surviving by FPV attack. Meanwhile, Russian FPV drones are showing success in carrying out their missions every day. One of the latest footage on January 26 shows an FPV with fiber optics chasing a pickup truck with Ukrainian soldiers. A passenger tries to jump out of the pickup at high speed, a second before the FPV lands.